Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add upload photo on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So just hover your mouse over the site you want to edit and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once you're in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on edit site and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here in this page, just wait for the page to load. This is basically the editor for your Wix site. So once you're here, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, go ahead and click on the plus icon to add element and then you're going to be right here. Once here, as you can see guys, you can add a text, add an image, button, strip, decorative box, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on image and then you're going to find upload and import. Click on upload images. And once you do that right here, as you can see guys, you can upload images. You can either upload from your computer. So if you want to upload from your computer, you can just drag your photos here or you can click on upload and search for the image you want to add. You can also upload from a URL if you want. You can upload from Facebook, Instagram. And once you do that, just click on add to page and then you're going to be able to add your image. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.